Ladies and gentlemen, and also on behalf of the cabin crew, welcome on board this finnair flight to Helsinki. My name is Ylka Antoni, I'm Chief of Cabin on this flight. I would also like to extend a special welcome to our Finnair Plus members and anyone joining us from our One World Alliance or other partner airlines. Please let us know if there's anything we can do to make your journey more comfortable. Thank you for choosing Finnair. We hope you enjoy your stay on board. Oikein hyvää huomenta, hyvät matkustajat. Ja myöskin matkustamohenkilökunnan puolesta tervetuloa tälle Finnairin lennolle Helsinkiin. Minun nimeni on Ylka Antoni, olen matkustamon esimies. Tervehdys myös Finnair Plus-jäsenillemme sekä One World Alliancen tai kumppanien kautta mukana oleville. Teemme parhaamme, että lento olisi mahdollisimman mukava, toivottavasti viihdytte kanssa. Godmorgon bästa passagerare och välkomna ombord på Finlands flyg till Helsingfors. Jag heter Ylka Antoni och kabinchef på flyget och kapten heter Anssi-Pukkonen och flygtiden idag är 12 timmar och 10 minuter. Vi vill även hälsa våra Finland Plus-medlemmar och er som ansluter er från One World Alliancen eller våra partners varmt välkomna ombord. Vi gör vårt bästa för att flyget ska bli trevligt. Vi hoppas att ni trivs med oss idag. Cabin crew, take your door positions. Cabin crew, arm your doors and cross-check. Thank you. Cabin crew, ready for safety demonstration.
Hello, and welcome on board Finnair. Before departure, we require your full attention for a moment. Our safety depends on both our crew and on you. We are here to ensure your safety on board. It's essential that you always follow the instructions given by the crew. In the event of an emergency, here are the things you need to know.
This aircraft has 8 emergency exits, 4 on each side. They are all marked with exit signs. All exits are equipped with slides that can also be used as rafts. To find your nearest exit, follow the escape lights at floor level. Our cabin crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. Locate your nearest exit and remember, it might be behind you. If we need to evacuate, you must leave all carry-on bags in the aircraft. Attempting to take them with you will block the aisles and exits from others. Always follow commands from the crew. To protect yourself, you must take the emergency position when instructed to do so by the crew. Bend forward and downwards as low as possible. If you have a shoulder strap, sit up straight with your hands on your knees, bending your neck forward. If necessary, oxygen masks will automatically appear above your head. Remove any face covering, grab the nearest mask or the red pull flag, and pull down sharply to start the flow of oxygen. Put the mask over your nose and mouth as shown. The bag may not inflate even though oxygen is flowing. Put your own mask on first before helping anyone else. An emergency landing on water is very unlikely, but if it happens, you have a life jacket in a compartment underneath or next to your seat. Pull the jacket over your head, fasten the front buckle, and tighten the strap. Inflate the life jacket after you leave the aircraft by pulling the red tab.
We will now prepare the cabin for takeoff.
All loose items must be stowed and compartments kept closed. Unplug your devices and stow your remote control and video screen. Make sure your armrest is in the down position, your table is stowed, and your seat back is upright. Your window shade must be open. If your seat has a footrest, it must be stowed now. Your safety belt must be fastened during takeoff, landing, and whenever our captain switches on the safety belt sign. Fasten your safety belt by inserting the metal end into the buckle, like this, and tighten the strap. To undo the belt, simply lift the upper part of the buckle or press the button on the buckle. If your seat has a shoulder strap, it must be connected to the belt for takeoff and landing. Keep your safety belt fastened throughout the flight for unexpected turbulence. You must comply with all posted and lighted signs. All our flights are non-smoking, and under aviation law, smoking is forbidden in the lavatories. This also applies to electronic cigarettes. You may use smartphones and other handheld electronic devices during the flight. Make sure they are now set to flight mode. You may switch to normal mode after landing. All other electronic devices, such as laptops, must be switched off and stowed for takeoff, landing, and when not in use during the flight. The safety features of this aircraft can be found in the safety card located in your seat pocket. We ask that you take a moment to review the important information on the safety card before takeoff. Thank you for paying attention to our safety instructions. If you have any questions, please ask our crew.